Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today we are looking at Ferrari Collection. This is magazine number 4. So we're looking at the, do you know what? I can't remember the name of this car. One of the Formula Ones. This is the 312? It is, 312T. There we go. So magazine 4, I'm going to have a quick look at the magazine. You can read over my shoulder. I'm not going to read everything in detail. I'm going to take a look at the die-cast car, put it on a rotating display, and that's it. So in this issue, we get the competition models. Single seaters is the 312 1975. The production models, Pininfarina's Nod to the Past. I'm not sure I'm even saying that correctly, his name. And the 312T bringing F1 titles home. So I'm not sure you can still get this Ferrari magazine collection. I got this in Australia from Bissett Magazines under www.modelsportscars.com.au. I don't know, I'll have to have a look and see if you can actually still get it. But I think there's about 86 or 7 or 8. I don't know, I'll have to have a look again. All right, so going the extremes, a perfect synthesis of the latest advances in the competition supercars. The F99XX has some origins in the Formula One single-seaters. Beautiful car, that. I think we might even have a model of it. Don't know if we have the one with 3 on it, though. But very nice. So it has a 6-litre or 5.999cc V12, 65-degree V12. Very nice. 330 kilometers an hour, 205 mile an hour. Pinnacle of technology. Beautiful car. Each magazine comes with a write-up about different other cars, and I think most of them actually are with ones that you get as a die-cast car eventually. If not all of them. So this particular one has a longitudinal V12 boxer. Capacity of, it would be about a 3-litre, 2.991.80, so just to be very precise. Maximum performance of 330 kilometers an hour as well. Woohoo. Now it looks like there's a folder. It may be that if you take this poster out, which is the next page, it is too. Here we go. If you take this particular poster out, and I'm not taking any of my posters out, I don't want to do that, you get the front of this car here. So if I pull that page back over just a moment, it doesn't want to, multiple pages coming up. There, you can see that we get front and the rear by taking the poster out. I think each magazine does have one, and I've decided not to take them out. Maybe one day if I get a decent garage that requires them, get them laminated, posted. Don't think that's going to happen. All right, the 312 Honours, 1975. Well, I'll just run through, not actually necessarily who it is. It's either Lauda or Regazzoni. So 5th, 1st, 1st, 5th, 1st, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd. 1st, 3rd, 6th, 1st, 3rd, 1st, 1st, 5th, 1st, 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 2nd, or 1st and 2nd, 2nd, 5th, and 1st. Oh, final constructor's classification, yeah. And final driver's classification, he came 2nd overall. Oh, that's a 76. So, Niki Lauda 1st in driver's classification and Ferrari 1st. There you go. Very dominant. All right, the 275 GTB4 4-seater. I think it is. I do believe you do get a die-cast car of these in this collection. It's a whole bunch of 250s and obviously a 275. We'll show them when we get there. Model variations. Well over 400 GTB models were driven on the road by their lucky owners, but the design house Corsair, well, I don't know how to pronounce that, made modifications of the chassis around 20 versions. All right, coming up in part 5, your California model. So we get the 2008 California, which I think from memory, maybe one of my mirrors came out and I had to put it back on because they're very delicate. Got to be careful there. And obviously a poster is the California, the 2+2. Competition models is the 166. I think it's the old F1 car, isn't it? And obviously the running models and the driver on this one is the Alberto Escari. Very nice. So let's take a quicker look at a closer look at the Formula One car that we get with this. Some decent details printed on this. Very nice. Niki Lauda driver name on the side. I think from memory I have the number 11 of the same shape. Might have come with the Formula One Car Collection Magazine, which I've also subscribed to and still receiving. It's well over 180 something rear end on this. Take a quick look underneath. Oh, look at that. Look at the beauty of those pipes all modelled and in white. Nice. I do like the Formula One cars here. So you got your Ferrari 312T on there, and it is made in China, 143 written on that. Don't know if I can show that with a light reflection. But I'll put that on the display table for those who are interested in seeing it up close. I like it. I'm very happy with it. I remember having slot cars of the AFX size of these back when, in the 70s, early 80s, I think it was. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Hang around for the video. Cheers, bye.